Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to access blocked websites using Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it loads up, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. This is your menu icon. Click on it and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This takes you into the main configuration area where you can customize how Brave operates and handles your browsing experience. Now that you're in the settings panel, look over at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. Click on Privacy and Security. This section is where Brave stores all the important settings related to how your browser protects your data and manages security features. It's essentially the control center for everything related to your online privacy. Next, you'll see an option labeled Security. Go ahead and click on it. This area specifically deals with how Brave handles potentially dangerous sites, secure connections, and DNS settings. It's where you'll find the tools needed to bypass certain restrictions and improve your browsing capabilities. Once you're inside the security section, scroll through the options until you find one that says Select DNS Provider. Right beside this label, you'll notice a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal the available DNS options. DNS, or Domain Name System, is what translates website addresses into IP addresses that your browser can understand. By changing your DNS provider, you can often bypass restrictions that your default network settings might have in place. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Cloudflare. Cloudflare is a reliable and fast DNS provider that can help you access websites that might be blocked by your default DNS settings. It routes your requests through different servers, which often allows you to reach content that would otherwise be unavailable. Once you select Cloudflare, the change is applied immediately and your browser will start using this new DNS provider for all your web requests. And that's it. You can now access your blocked site simply by typing the website address into the address bar at the top of your browser. The DNS change you just made should allow you to reach websites that were previously restricted. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.